Hello, my name is Christy Coney, and I am sharing how I'm going to use technology for my technology implementation plan. Um, I did share that I would need laptops, or students would need laptops, desktops, iPads, and internet access. All these things are actually provided by the school already, and that's why they were not included in the budget. These websites are also free websites. A couple of them do require a membership, but it's a free membership or like a login. One in particular, I did have to switch up a little bit, so we'll be accessing that through YouTube instead of the actual link here. I hope that's okay. But the first one is uppercase letters balloon pop. We'll visit that just to see exactly how it will be implemented in the classroom. So basically, I'm a special education teacher. So generally, when I have my students on devices, I usually log in for them for the ones that I know are not necessarily able to log in as of yet. The others that are able to log in, I allow them to log in. They have QR codes that send them straight to the SSO portal. And so if we are accessing anything on the SSO portal, they are able to log in that way. So for these particular assignments, I will go ahead and prep the iPads and computers or whatever devices we'll be using for the day, and I will log in using my information for students.
Help add air to Floyd's hot air balloon. By copying the words with the right answer. Find S.
So basically, the first assignment is letter recognition. So students are to find the letter S or whatever letter is called for that particular assignment.
Find S.
We would click on the letter S and so on and so forth. So now we can take a look at a couple of the other links that were provided in the implementation plan. So this one deals with letter sounds. Okay. So real life, what happens if a student gets kicked out and then myself or one of the other teachers within the classroom will have to come and troubleshoot and see what's going on. And I also included that in the plan. So with this particular activity, students are to find or figure out the letter sounds. So let's just click on this one.
Which letter sounds G?
So they are looking for the sound G, and that's this one. And there are 10 questions here.
Which letter sounds
And this is an easy way for me to monitor students' progress just by walking by and taking a look here at the number of questions they've gotten right. So let's see what happens if they get one wrong.
Which letter sounds K?
So then we see and they get a chance to listen again. Okay. So the next one actually says alpha blocks. For this particular assignment or activity, rather, I will switch and use YouTube because the link doesn't actually work for me. So I'm going to use YouTube, and students will also be able to use YouTube. We have access to YouTube in our building. Students have limited access, but these types of educational videos and things like that, they do have access to. So they'll be able to watch these videos.
Grammarly helps you work more efficiently, which makes
Sorry about the ad.
your workflows easier.
Hey, your face! Pointing the finger, definitely. Behind your back. I must have. No, I digitally do. No, I'm not.
Okay, so just, keep in mind that these are second graders, but they are in the special education classroom. So the level at which they're learning is more on the kindergarten or first grade level. So this video is age appropriate, or not necessarily age appropriate, but academically appropriate for them. And it deals with blending. And I'm pretty sure the next letter that will come up is the letter A. So they'll be able to blend all these letters together. And then we'll go to the last link. And also, I will be going through and modeling just as I am now to show, students how to go through each app or video and use it properly. So this is another website from education.com. And just like the other one, students will be able to just click play.
Floyd and Rolly need your help to knock down an old building. Let's get to work removing bricks. For this job, you'll be found sight words. Ready? Find the word
And so again, this deals with sight word recognition. The last activity was dealing with blends. So they would need to just click on that word. And it goes pretty fast. So it's very engaging. And that concludes my presentation for the technology that will be used in my technology implementation plan.